This is a 2018 Peugeot Expert, and I've been having trouble with the sliding door not running freely on both sides. Let me show you what I mean. Go to open it, it catches. And it won't run freely without a lot of effort. Stuck again, trying to shut. It's a fairly simple fix, which I've just done on the driver's side. So let me show you how free this one is. There we go, easy open, easy shut. Nice and simple. So let me show you how I did it. All you need is a Torx screw, a sharp Stanley blade. God, this bloody door. So, 20, size 25 I think it is, Torx. If I can get it in the hole. Trying to do this left-handed. Trying to do this left-handed while holding the camera. I'm going to put the camera down. 2 seconds. So all you need is a Torx screw to undo the trim cover inside the door. That should then come free. Then shut the door. So this is the trouble I'm having. It's not shutting easily at all. Okay, the trim cover. Let's get your fingers under it, and it just unclips like so. There we go. And the problem is the runner running along here, and this is very bumpy. So what we need to do, is clear that runner. I think you can see the runner catching as it goes. So we give this a wipe to clear any residue of either old grease, or it seems like they may even be starting to corrode from the inside up. If I just get a thin knife and run that along, get rid of any worse bits. And then a piece of wet and dry paper along there. Then hopefully, there we go. Perfect. Hope that helps.